check this out. Different artists from this area come here to do murals and stuff like that. This is crazy. So they prime the wall again, and then it gives an artist another chance, a different artist, to come in and put their work up. Check it out. From what I understand, it's a non-profit organization, and they're actually looking for interns. So this is their IG. You can hit them up to say hello or just give them a follow. This is amazing. If you're like a muralist or, you know, a graffiti artist and you're trying to get your work seen, this is the perfect place to come to. This is amazing. Alright, so we're going right now to meet up with Lenny. Oh, hold on, honey. We don't got it. Yeah, so we're headed this way to go meet up with Lenny to go to Best Buy. See what they got over there. I swear to God, I'm in Best Buy right now. I don't know. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
Got this two-time music. It just does something to me.
Stalking the speaker, man. Well, the sound bar. We'll wait for it to go on sale. It went from $100. It went down to $80, and then after that, it went down to $40. So we're gonna check the specs out and see. There's two different sizes. Well, actually, it says here one is 39, and then one is 29. So one's a little smaller, one's a lot larger, but what's the real difference for $10?
And the water goes in here. It's like a Curie coffee pot.
Yeah, it's like a Curie pot for babies. So we finally got help. This guy Joseph, one of the sales reps, came through and explained the specs and the difference between each speaker.
Much more powerful than something like this and clear. This is only going to jump up to about 50 or 60, so it'd be double the power of a TV, a little bit clearer, no massive improvement, but it'll help. This is where it's going to take a significant improvement just because of the wattage. It's going to be much clearer, much more detailed, and a lot louder.
Yeah, so we decided the smartest thing to do is just buy the bigger one for $10. It's way better quality, and now I'm gonna take this bad boy home and stick it under my TV on the wall, man. We can improve the sound in our living room. The TV I have now is Aquos HD, man, but it's a 60-inch. I want like a 75, 80-inch. I don't know why we wore hoodies again. It's hot cold. Today I want to finish up coloring, a little more coloring and detail on Lenny's back. The Jesus and the devil piece. The machine I have now, I know I can pack way more color in there, and you know, it's gonna look way better. What is that? I'm excited about that.
It brings 3 speakers and the radio
Ultimate ghetto boombox. It looks like one of the Transformers' elbows. Jesus. I'm making fun, but I can't lie. I want one of these for the kids' room, man. Randy would love one of these radios. They both would love one of these radios. A lot of the yellow cabs are set up to be really cozy now. TVs and everything. Just wonder how much they make. Are they making more money now? Yeah.
Got paid for those glass. Paid for those tools.
I wonder why this one is always broke.
Yeah, so when you deduct all that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm really have much, and then you have to
You can make money.
you can make money, but you have to know your routes, right? You have to
You gotta be out there hustling.
Yeah. I don't know. I know Ubers make really good money, but I don't know, man. It's something personal. It's too personal with an Uber or a Lyft when you have just a regular person picking you up.
But this two-time music, it just does something to me.
So I was able to work on Lenny for a little while. We worked for a couple of hours, and had about one other two people come through and do some smaller pieces like this one here. And I had a pretty busy day. It was pretty constructive. Yeah, me and Lenny definitely got a long ways to go. I gotta touch up all the old ink, and then I gotta go over the line work. So we got a lot of work to do. He needs to cut that hair, right?
Yes, that gives them
Your hair grows back. Your hair grows back really fast, and then it looks like a muffin up there.
But by the time it grows,
Yeah, by the time it grows, you have to cut it nice and bold. You hot already, woman?
yes, especially for the summer.
Oh. So check this out, guys. So this is the new entrance. When you were coming before, there was some steps here, and then it would drop into this big box. So I guess this area now is going to be maybe the closet for maintenance. But very different from what we're used to. Come on, let's go look at the front of the new building. Come on, come on.
They got, see the shit, the way my shit was up top, they get that glass deep. Way better than this shit. They already...
Hi guys. So welcome to this is day 5. I've been vlogging in the consistency of a few days at a time. So far we're up to taking Jay to get some clothes for school, and we might be fat and get something to eat as well. So Jay is on a camera today, my little Jaden. So I have to put him in the credits, and I gotta pay him, and I'll pay him at Dunkin' Donuts. What's good, my brother? How's everything good? Just vlogging. That's what I do. I'm a wild boy.
But this two-time music, it just does something to me.
All those classics, ACGs. Babe,
Yeah,
one of the best things about this store, right? How many floors? 3 floors?
3 floors.
3 floors. So you have the main floor we're here on. You know, the main showroom floor. Then you have downstairs,
Sales floor.
your sales floor. Average sneaker downstairs is $20, $30. 40 the most. Probably 40 the most, right? 40 the most. Always something on sale downstairs.
Yes.
They got everything here. The new stuff is upstairs, but like right here downstairs, those were $20. Pants are 20. Just they're always, all year round, always something on sale.
We
in the
just
spot.
got for a sale of 2 pairs of pants for $38.
Oh yeah, it was okay. 2 pairs of pants for $38. We caught them. You know, this spot has some of the best sales
Yes.
that I know of. And they're crazy cool here, man. The spot is dope.
Yes.
The neighbor has these.
Mm-hmm.
Gangsta rap made me do it.
Nice.
How much are these? 30. That's funny.
Happy Meal 6 piece. Civica 673. The Springfield, that's all bed hall. 673. More iced coffee.
So we're sitting here enjoying these French fries and burgers, and then this happens. See the pollen? Isn't that crazy? Look at this. Looks like snow.
Yeah.
Wow, this is gonna have everybody sick. It's gonna feel good.
You want to come? No, we can't just stay here. We gotta go. We gotta walk. You gotta man up.
I don't want to man up. It's too cold, and my head burns. I don't know why.
Because you shave.
Huh?
You want my shirt?
No. Okay, fine. I next movement. I like it. I like it. You have a whole thing planned out, like a strategic army move.
Our mission is to get home safe.
Yes, I like it.
Part of it, right? You know, not.
Yes, yes, yes.
We're gonna be so.
So this is it, guys. By the time I'll be home, I'll be soaked. I hope so.
We're not eating there. We would have been home right now, probably. If we didn't eat the food at the food.
If we didn't eat pizza,
No, if we didn't eat the McDonald's at McDonald's.
well, now we're stuck. We're stranded. We might have to sleep here.
That's gonna get soaked.
We might have to sleep here. Yeah, we have to. We're gonna have to use our shirts to make like a little baby bed, and we'll sleep on the sidewalk.
Or we could just ask someone to sleep in there.
Oh, in the bar? They won't let us in there. You're too young. So we have to sleep here on the sidewalk. Okay, guys, it's slowing down a little bit. Huh?
Got this two-time music. It just does something to me.
Oh, no, 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 no.